A new day, a new experiment. First of all, you see, I'm trying to have a new setup around my studio here. This is my studio, this is my working bench, this is my class even. You know, I'm teaching piano and guitar for kids, and I have this Behringer B1 for so long. I never really use it, so I'm trying to have a new way to put things together. You know, it's still a work in progress, but I hope the sound will be better. And soon I'm gonna have some video stuffs, you know, cameras for better image, for better video quality. And yeah, here we are. Something new from China. It has been ordered in 8th of March, and today is 21st, so it came pretty fast, I may say. Amazing fast. What we got here, let's see. Bam bam. You see, guys, it's a new microscope. You'll say, another microscope? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? No, I'm not. But you know why? Because this guy, it's a 35 euros price. I just couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. So, let's see what is this about. First, we have a manual. Okay, 10 megapixel, 5.5 inch HD LCD display, magnification 1 to 1000, distance between 10, alright. Okay, we'll see about that. Anyway, 5.5 inch LCD, it's pretty okay, isn't that? I think it's okay. Do we have a battery in there? Let's see. Of course we have. And it's running. Beautiful. Okay. And here we should have the stative, standard, support, call it as you like. It's plastic. Yes, I know, it's plastic. But that doesn't bother me because I can improve that. I was looking for this aluminum stuff here, and this is the most important part. I can build another plate down here, or maybe just cut a piece of aluminum and have it over here instead of working on plastic. Anyway, that's the guy. 5.5 inch LCD plastic stand, but I really don't care about. Easy to change the focal length and the distance and magnification in the same time. And here we have a kind of screw, you know, for stabilize the positioning. I may say it's pretty smooth. Okay, let's go further. It have a battery. I love to take this out from the screen because for this money, this guy will stay forever on my bench. 35 euros, free shipping, you know, it's a bargain, absolutely. Adjusting the focus. Guys, I have to say that it's looking really great. Look there. Beautiful. What else we got here? We should have some light adjustment. And I will improvise a kind of LED lights for having some sides light. By the way, this is not sponsored, so this is my own money. I don't intend to have any reclama for anything or anybody. Let's go down. Let's go to maximum magnification as much as we can. Let's see down here. Ooh. Look here. We can even see the surfaces of this plastic. The paint, it's the other side of the plastic, and here is the top surface. Look there. Very interesting. No? I love it. And of course it's taking SD card like that. Yeah, the SD card, it's in place. But first, that should be a better, okay, this is maximum height. We have like 8 centimeters, 7 centimeters. It's more than enough to work under the microscope. Let's get into the menu. What we got here. Resolution, first of all, let's see, 720, and we can go up to 1080. Is there error? Okay. I don't know what that means. And what's the connection with the card? Cyclic record, that's kind of looping probably. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. All right. So it's cycling the recording. I don't need that, of course. Exposure, up and down, +1, minus. Okay, that makes the image brighter. And of course, date. On, I don't care. We have another menu there. Auxiliary to the line. What is this? Oh, okay, lines on the screen. The LCD brightness. Okay, so this is for how long the LCD will be on. Here we have the auto power off in 3 minutes maximum. That's the frequency, 60 or 50 hertz. Language, it's in English, I don't care about that time. Let's format the card as long as we are here. Is there error? Why? Format, once again. Funny. What's wrong with you? You know something? Let me format it before on my computer. FAT32. You see, this is a 32 giga SD card. I'm not sure if FAT32 it will be okay, but anyway, let's try now. It's kind of improper positioning here. Okay, let's try to format it now on the device. Yeah, it's working. Beautiful. That's the menu, and here we have no file. This is the playback or display with a D. This is the display menu. How do I record on this? Now the record is starting, and of course let's do what we have to do, because the main goal here is to check the boards and intervene, soldering, visual inspection of the things. We have a lot of glare, of course, but like I said, I'm gonna have some LEDs with some lights from sides, left and right, and then you can easily change the positioning. Okay, I think it's pretty okay. Let's see now. You see, I don't care about magnification and how much and, numbers, as long as I can see and I can have a perfect visual inspection. The LCD, it's bright and clear, and this is really nice. Look. And if you remember, a few days ago, I've been presenting you a kind of Dremel. And that's how the tracks are looking after peeling the paint. Beautiful. Look at this little one. I can barely see it with my eyes. Is it okay? Let's fake an intervention here. Oh yeah, plenty of place. Plenty of space and plenty of place. It's looking good. I love it. Let me stop the recording, and I have a last test to do with this guy. I think this is the right cable, because what I want to do is to connect it to the computer. Okay, look there. Mass storage, PC camera. Let's go. What is that? Record mode. I never saw this menu before. Let's check the manual. Nothing about. Well, let's have it on PC camera. I'm opening OBS Studio. There we go. So, yeah, it was a conflict with the other USB camera. Now we have picture. Yeah, I want to keep this. Oh, it's pretty good magnification. Look at the pixels there. All the photos pixels. And what about the boards? So yes, it was a matter of conflict with the other camera. You see now it's working, everything is fine. Man, it's beautiful. And this is the image without any special light, anything, you know, tailored or filters or anything. This is just the microscope camera. Well, it's not so crispy. For me, it's more than enough. Look there. So let's say I want to work with this guy. You know, it's so close I can't even see. Look at the tip of my soldering pen. That's a TS100. Look there. Let's check these numbers on the circuit. Okay, so we have to change the angle to have an idea about what's happening. Oh yeah, we can read that very easy. Legerity. LEA822 something. Can we read the numbers on the parts? Of course we can. 1108 there, 3011, 4023. It's perfect. Okay, people, that's it for today. You see, this guy cost me 35 euros with no post, free posting, and what can I say? It's just working. A battery included, good magnification, easy to work with. I love this kind of focusing instead of that one on the objective here somewhere. 35 euros. It's a joke. You see, this one will stay here on my bench forever. Until the next one, I hope this is useful. Like usually, don't forget, sign to my channel, subscribe to my channel, push like, and like always, try to have some fun. Bye bye.